Data is very expensive these days and it finished too fast. What if I told you that I can get 1 gigabyte of data for just 10 naira? I know it sounds impossible, right? But it's 100% real. In this video I will show you the exact app that I can use to get cheap data from MTN, and I'll also show you the secret method I can use now so that I can stop wasting your money on expensive data. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. So let's dive into the video. The app you can use to get 1 gigabyte of data for just 10 naira. This is how the interface of the app look like once you log in. So I'm going to show you the name of the app at the end of this video, and now you can install the app on your phone. So to get access to 1 gigabyte of data for 10 naira with this app on MTN, you click on data. It will bring you to this interface. So you select MTN. So you're going to select MTN. I've already selected MTN. Then I've entered my MTN number. Then you will come to this section that they wrote flash sale. So on this section, this is where you can get 1 gigabyte of data for just 10 naira. So you can see it here. 1 gigabyte for 10 naira to be valid for 1 day. So they are giving you 90% off. Now for you to get access to this data, it is not always available. There is a specific time that I can use to get access to it. Now they have 2 sessions in a day. We have the morning session and the evening session. Now for the morning session is by 8 a.m. while in the evening session is by 8 p.m. So if you want to get 1 gigabyte of data for just 10 naira with this app, once you get to that time, that 8 a.m. or 8 p.m., then make sure you just log in immediately and click on buy to grab this offer, because they have a limited number that they can give people access to within a day. So first come first serve, so you must be fast to get access to this data, and you can be doing it twice a day and you are going to be getting access to this data offer. If you come to your Google Play Store, then you download PalmPay. So the name of the app is PalmPay. So there you have it. With this app, you can be able to get 1 gigabyte of data for 10 naira, and you can repeat this process that I show you in this video every single day. You can also use it to get other cheap data from other network. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other videos that I can use to get data very cheaper from other network like MTN, Glo, AIRTEL and 9Mobile, you can watch a video that's showing next on your screen, or you can check the description on this video. So I'll see you in my next video.